Today I'm going to make a recipe that is available in my brand new Blackstone Griddle cookbook. Cherry cheesecake quesadillas on the Blackstone. You're starting out with some cherry cheesecake mixture. Just spread them on like that. We're going to make 4 total. You gotta take a little bite. Just going to go ahead and get some butter down first. Cheesecake quesadillas right on the griddle. Some cherry pie filling. Not quite ready to flip yet, but almost. Fold them over. Just kind of need one spatula for this job. Oh, those are beautiful.